Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool update right here, and basically what this is a glass screen protector that's used for an iPhone 14 Pro Max. And we see for the one that we got right here is a brand called TORRAS. And when you guys do purchase the product, they do provide you guys two of them. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So let's do open up. Inside they do provide some stuff. So they do provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to install it. And right here they provide you guys all the accessories that you need to use. So if you guys do take it out, basically inside they provide you guys the wet wipe, the dry wipe, and also the stickers to actually remove any dust from the actual product before you guys install it. So that is everything inside right here. And then right here we do have one of the product. If you guys take out this part right here, and you see in the bottom they do provide you guys the same exact stuff. So right here is the second pack that you use for the other ones, and they do give you guys two of everything inside. But see on the bottom they do provide this accessory or two that you can use to apply on the product correctly when you guys use it. And the bottom you see they do provide the second one. So pretty much once you guys finish using this one, you guys can peel this out. But for right now I don't want to peel this out because I'm going to use it for the test in a second. But pretty much right here is the glass screen protector that you're going to put on when you guys do use it. So when you guys do feel the material that's on here, you can definitely feel that it is a high quality glass material. And the way how you guys use it is actually very easy. All you need to do is follow the instruction, which is 1 and 2. So you guys can peel this part out and then push it down to apply it on. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm just going to set this up to show you guys how to set it up and what the product looks like when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have everything all set up. So first thing I want to do is to use wet wipe. And wipe down the screen to make sure it's all clean. Alright, so put that on one side. We'll use this to wipe it down. Now you can use the tape or the sticker to remove any dust that's on the product, if there is any. Alright, so I think that should be good. Now I can put this on top and start installing it. So basically I want to put this on top like this. Make sure it clips on. Once you guys got it on, you guys can peel this part right here. And as you guys are peeling it, you guys can push this part down and slide it down. And then once you guys are done, you guys can remove it, and there shouldn't be any bubbles on here. If there is any, you guys can use the accessory right here to actually clean it up. So we have to take it out. You guys can also peel this out as well. Fix any bubble if there is any. Alright, so see once you guys do apply it on, it definitely looks pretty nice. So now let's turn it on to test it out to see how it works. So once you guys do apply it on, you can see it definitely looks pretty nice. Everything on here still looks super high quality. And when you guys do use it, all the buttons on here still work pretty well. Nothing's affected. If you guys notice, for the one that I applied on right here is for the iPhone 14 Plus. But I mentioned the way how they designed this one is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. But you can see when you guys do use it for the iPhone 14 Plus, it also works as well. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do apply it on. You can see very easy and very simple to use it. Welcome back guys. So nice quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work and should work quite well. If you see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long, it was actually very easy and very simple. If you guys follow all the instructions correctly, then you should be fine. And you see when you guys use this product, even with the glass screen protector on, nothing's affected. Everything actually works pretty well, it's very smooth, and you still get the high quality resolution when you guys do use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want these warranties. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality glass protector that you can use for iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max, or even for like the 14 or 14 Plus, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.